Hey yo, what up my ninjas? It's your boy Tony Beezy for TheKnockKnockz, and today you are here to learn how to solve the 2x2. Okay, so when I first got my 2x2, right, which was this one right here, it's the Rubik's brand 2x2 that I found it at Toys R Us, and yeah, I brought it home and learned how to solve it. And I was like, driving me crazy, and I was like, yo, I need to search the internet because I need some help. And I found all these different methods and different ways of solving the cube, which was cool. It was very effective. They're all effective, right? It just depends how you look at it and which video you get to first. Now, I'm hoping that you got to mine first, okay? Here's the good part. I feel that this is the easiest way to learn how to solve the 2x2, and we're gonna get into it. But before we do that, all right, I'm gonna tell you right now, all professionals were noobs once, and today we're gonna unnoob ourselves. All right, it's okay to be a newbie because everybody was a newbie once. Now we're gonna talk about the colors. All right, opposite of white is always going to be yellow. Opposite of blue, always going to be green. Opposite of orange, always going to be red. And I'm going to talk about the movements of the thing. All right, this is going to be the right, the left, the top, the bottom, the back, and the front. All right, front's here. Now when you see R, that means right. This is what they're talking about here, right? And every time you see R, let's just use R for an example right now. R, we're always going to move it clockwise. You see, if you look here, it's clockwise. But if they say R prime, or I say R prime, that means we're gonna go counterclockwise, which is this way, okay? Counterclockwise, R prime, R prime, there you go. And yeah, that's right. R for right, L for left, U for upper, D for down, B for back, F for front or face, whatever you want to call it. Did we do U yet? We're gonna do it again, U. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you guys are ready, you guys, you know, we got the colors down, we got the sides down. Let's get into it. Mix it up a bit. It's hard to mix this up without solving it. You're like gonna solve it. That's how easy it is. You're gonna get it after we unnoob ourselves, and after this video, you can be like, "Dang, Tony, that was pretty easy." I'm like, "Yeah, I know. I told you it was easy." So, all right. First off, we're gonna start off with the white. Okay, we're gonna have the white on the top. All right. First, I'm gonna start off the white with the logo. Okay, this is the YJ-MGC magnetic 2x2. It's pretty cool. I'm not doing that with my hands. That's the magnet's doing its magic right there. All right. Enough of that. Okay. Now we're gonna look for the white and the blue, or white and the orange, right? Because we're gonna work off this corner right here. So now white and blue's right here. Let's get that white and blue up there. So how are we gonna do that? We're gonna move this down and then move it out the way. Okay, move this back up. We're gonna match the side color with blue because they're matchy right now. White will tell you which elevator it needs to go up on, okay? So this means it has to go here, right? Because these colors are matching, this needs to be here. So how we're gonna do this is we're gonna move this white out the way, bring this elevator down, move the white into the elevator, and pop the elevator back up. Look at that, we had the white already, look at that. Anyways, we're not gonna look at that, okay? The second part is here, we're gonna look for the other piece. Let's work with white and orange now, okay? White and orange is right here. Okay, we know that orange and orange are matchy right here, so white needs to go here. We're gonna move this out the way, bring this elevator down, move the white into the elevator, and they both go back up. Bam. Okay, we've got two colors now, blue, orange. We've got an L-shaped white up here. Now for the last piece, we're gonna move this down, move it out the way, and move it back up. Now match the side colors. We know that white needs to go here, of course, because it's the last piece for the white part at least. Move it out the way, bring the elevator down, move white into the slot, take the elevator up. Boom, we got the white now. The colors on the sides are all matchy. We're having a good day. All right, now after we finish the white, we're gonna work on the yellow side, which is the opposite side, right? We have one down here already, but we're gonna do it upside down, sort of, all right? Now here's where an algorithm. It's an algorithm, but it's so easy that after you do it, it's gonna be so intuitive and you're gonna be like not even thinking about it. It's called the sexy move. And how you do the sexy move is, I'm gonna put it on the screen right now real quick. R, U, R prime, U prime, all right? Here's how we wanna do this. We're gonna call this one right here the active corner, all right? This is the active section right here. So what we wanna do is take a piece that has the yellow that's not facing on the bottom, and we're gonna put it in the active slot right here, okay? And we're gonna start with the sexy move in 3, 2, 1 on the screen. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. You see how that piece now flipped and it's facing the bottom? That's what we want to do with all of them. We've got this one done out the way. Now we look for the next yellow that's not facing on the bottom. Don't worry about the top part yet, okay? It's gonna solve itself in a second. Put it into the active slot and we do the sexy move again. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. We've got that one down already, okay? Now we look for the next one. Alright, we put this yellow in the active slot. It doesn't matter which way the yellow is facing, as long as it's not facing towards the bottom, okay? Sexy move, one more again. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime. Do we need the U prime? We don't have to, because we're gonna have to move it back anyways. Now we have the white and we have the yellow. The red is obviously finished. We're gonna face that side right there, the finished side towards the back, all right? Now we flip the cube upside down. White is gonna face the top, yellow is gonna face the bottom, the solve side is gonna face towards the back. Now if you don't have a solve side, no problem, but most likely you will. So this is the algorithm that you're gonna have to memorize. Is it long? It's longer than the sexy move, but it's not a problem at all, okay? So here's how we're gonna do this. Face the solve side towards the back, and then yellow towards the top. And we're gonna start this algorithm right here, okay? It's gonna be on the screen. R prime, F, R prime. Back 2 times. R, F prime, R prime. Back 2 times. R 2 times. Look at that. Now we find blue and blue, boom, and it's solved. Look how easy that was. It's pretty easy, right? I mean, if you guys got it, hooray. If not, let's try it again with a different cube. This time, we're not gonna spend so much time on it. If you didn't get it, please go back a little bit and do it over again. Right now, we're just gonna do some sample solves, I guess. You know, I wanna spend time with you guys. You guys are here, we made it, we're here together. Let's hang out. All right, here we go. We're starting with the top, right? This is again 2x2. We're gonna start off right here. We're gonna look for the white and the blue or the white and the red, okay? The white and blue is right here. So let's go ahead and match the side colors. Move it out the way, bring this down, put that in, boom. Let's look for white and orange. Here it is right here. Move this down, move it out the way, bring it back up. Okay. Now it needs to go up. Alright, there we go. Let's move the R down. Bam, white done. Sexy move. Sexy move. Sexy move. Alright, we got the yellow. Let me see, do we have a solve side? We don't have a solve side. Cool, okay, cool. No worries. R prime, F, R prime. Back 2 times. R, F prime, R prime. Back 2 times. R 2 times. Solve side towards the back. Okay, again. R prime, F, R prime. Back 2 times. R, F prime, R prime. Back 2 times. R 2 times. Boom. Solved. Kind of cool, right? I hope that was helpful to you guys. You know, there's a bunch of videos out there that teaches you how to solve the 2x2, and I'm so super excited that you landed on mine first. I'm glad that we could be friends. If this was helpful, please hit like, subscribe, leave a comment. If it didn't help you, I apologize. Watch it again, or leave me a foul comment. It doesn't matter, you know what I'm saying? At least we got to meet each other, alright? Thanks for watching. It's your boy Tony Beezy. This is TheKnockKnockz, and you have a nice day. Peace.